Our barbecue was so successful yesterday.
Oh, it was fun. I'm glad everybody enjoyed it. We love seeing it. I love those shoots. Socks I could probably change.
One side because they go on each one. Yeah, because Gary forgot to do that. This is completely.
So you put inside the program, yes.
Yeah, we put this program inside the main Candlelight Pro, and then we put our donor insert in.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh, and this goes in the program as well?
Yes, absolutely.